Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel Pixel and Frisket Finds. My name is Michelle and this is a new episode of Come to Work With Me, a series on my channel where we go through the vintage inventory that we have at the jewelry store where I work. If you haven't already, click subscribe. I'm uploading a new video every Sunday and I'd love to see you there again. Let's get digging. All right, here's our cute little stackaroo today. And we're going to start at the top, work our way down. The first one says Avon. It says frosted grapes clip earrings. It says how to clean it. Avon, Canada. So let's take a look, see what we have. Is it what it says it is, first of all? And I would think yes. Those are grapes, definitely grapes. So there's a brooch with this like dangly cluster of pearls, and then there is clip-on earrings like this dangly cluster. And they say frosted grapes, maybe because they're white, because of pearl, perhaps. Maybe that could be it, but there's that one. All right, that was a quick one. Look at this guy. I just love the bay. I love the bay's logo and I love the colors and the stripe. It's such a vibe. It's such a Canada vibe. And inside here we have, well, a champlavé, right? Champlavé, as opposed to cloisonné. It is a pillow style and reversible. I like the shape. I like the flower. I like the butterfly. That's an interesting one. I hope we can find some good value there. The chain it's on is a little odd. It's like very stiff. Not exactly, well, it is working with it. I don't think it's too heavy for it, but the chain says Sarah Coventry. And it is a hook closure, so they're not meant to be together, but they are together, just the same. I'm gonna leave my little bay logo in here, I think. Should we? Is there room? Sure. It adds a little pizzazz. Okay, this guy, just lay down. Just lay down. Shh. Okay. Next box. Oh, I've popped it open already. We've got some tiny needlework. Teeny tiny. I love these things. I know they don't have a huge amount of value, like resale value, but they're so adorable. The small stitching pendant or brooch, along with a matching stick pin. And matching screwback earrings. No names, but cute. Look at that whole little set there. And then, oh, what's this one? What? The heck? Two. All right, so there are two full-size brooch pendants. And they are the same design. It looks like there's a few small differences, but some nonetheless. And then the last thing in this little box is another set. Here is the pendant. It's a cameo, but it's, you know, a plastic costumey. This white background is very confusing to me. Why is that there like that? I don't know. And it has matching screwback earrings. They look matching anyway. Maybe they were, maybe they weren't. All right. The last little box that I have here right now is a blue one. And that looks fun. That looks fun in there. We have an assortment of earrings. These purple ones here, screw back. It looks like an assortment of like decades too, maybe, but there's this beaded pair. Those ones are kind of nasty. There is, oh, this is a set here. So there's these earrings. It looks like rose quartz there. And on the backs, do we have a name? No. No. But we also have a pendant right here. That's pretty enough, isn't it? It's not soldered. And the pink stone is reading as quartz, so I don't know. Cute little set, I guess. I like the shape of them. Another little tiny, oh, it just broke in my hand. Oh, well. Glass, little button glass clip-ons. There's these ones. These are kind of cool. They have like an enamel paint. It's got quite a bit of wear to it. No name. But I like those spiky leaves for whatever reason. And there's these leaves as well. Screw back. These are funky. What the heck? Bright pink starburst things? That's different than... It does not... They do not fit in with anything here. There's these sort of dome ones with the open work in gold tone. And then there's these guys. Kind of cool. I like that shape going on. BN. Well, I don't know what BN is. BN. Hopefully I can look something up about that. The other thing in here is a tie tack with a pearl on it. There we go. Now we need some more, don't we? Don't we? Let's see. Well, I've got a bag. Let's pull some stuff out of this bag. A Christmas tree with a little dangle red rhinestone at the top. Looks like a pendant. That's kind of sweet. Here's another pendant, an owl. We had a few owls on our last episode, and this one's carved out of bone, or maybe it's just a plastic. Oh, here, there's another little pendant. You are so tiny. Look at this guy, just a little rose with texture and a tiny stone, but so small on my fingertip there for demonstration. Oh, this is an interesting ring with like beads. It is adjustable. Here's another pendant. That's a piece of rhodonite, and it looks like rhodonite that you can find here on Vancouver Island. I don't like when stones are mounted this way. It's not my thing. Here is, oh, cute. Mini clips, Coro for $2. These ones are a light minty green. And I have to wonder, in the last episode we had tons of little tiny clip-ons like this, the same style of back. I wonder if they were also Coro? Perhaps. Here's another screw back pair. These are plastic with clear stones, little daisy shape. And another clip-on pair. These have stone mounted on them. I don't know what that is for sure. Could be sunstone, I think. All right, here's a wreath style brooch with a red stone there. A pair of screwbacks with little like egg-shaped beads. Those are kind of gnarly. Those are giving me mango worm vibes. Ew. If you know, you know. And what does that say? Germany? Yes. Germany. Sorry. If you know, I'm sorry. If you know, you know. This pair is quite large and in charge. A white flower over a leaf on gold tone. They're quite big, aren't they? Oof, I'm trying to hold them for you. Like that? Yeah. There's this little gold daisy or sunflower clip-on. So many clip-ons with no names on them here. There's another AB glass rhinestone cluster. Here's a screwback pair that have no mark. And they look like this with like this light blue, kind of smoked, like there's like a white milkiness through it. Here's another clip-on pair with clear rhinestones. Those ones say something Austria. And another clip-on pair with like a matte gold tone leaf and 2 pearls. Those are Avon. I don't want to bury these pink starbursts. They're so fun. Another little clip pair of a gold tone rose. Possibly coral, now that we see the card there. And these wispy leaves with blue stones and no mark. And we have these, a couple of pinks and some gold. No mark, right? Yep. This is like a little grape cluster with a little porcelain rose. Little clip-ons. That one does have a name. Avon. I got a lot of Avon from somebody recently, so I don't know what'll happen there, but haven't really had time to think about it. And I didn't pay much for it, so I can sit on it for a minute. Here's another clip-on pair. Sparkle-tastic. Sparkalicious. Get them in there somewhere where we can see them. And another pair here with this metal kind of cutout. Oh, beep. This chain flower with a nice blue stone. Love that blue. Here's another teeny tiny clip-on pair, little leaf with a stone. They are so small. The answer to studs for clip-ons, obviously. And then we have this moon glow pair. You'd expect to see the name Coro on the back here, right? And indeed we do. Cool. At least there was a name. I was ready to be disappointed to see no name after being confident about Coro. This little pair. This little clip-on pearl button stud. This, oh, these are kind of cool actually. Just this plain gold, oops, oval kind of disc clip. I don't know why I'm drawn to those. Tiny little pearl clip-on, so small, so small. Little silver ones with green stones, those are screw back and they are bond void, I was going to guess. And little pearl studs, screw back. What does that say? 306? What? Nine carat? 9 carat. Huh. Alright, magnet. Well, it looks like someone tested it here. Look at where it's dark. Yeah, anyway. If they are, it's like $5 worth of 9 karat gold for melt. Little clips with stones, little screwbacks, and another screwback pair here. Whoa, that's a lot of those, isn't it? Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Awesome. That's going to be it for this episode. If you haven't already, please click subscribe. That way we can hang out again. I upload a new video almost every Sunday, and I would love to have you here again. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.